Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today to address a matter of great significance. One that resonates with the very fabric of our cultural identity and gastronomic heritage. It is an issue that requires not only our attention, but also our collective appreciation for the artistry and dedication that goes into the sublime world of barbecue. A culinary journey that transcends mere sustenance and becomes a testament to the enduring spirit of craftsmanship. For too long, the rigors of barbecue have been underestimated and overlooked. In the smoky realms of barbecue grills and bustling barbecue joints, an unspoken commitment prevails, echoing the testament that behind every savory bite lies a tale of patience, precision, and undying passion. My fellow Americans, barbecue is not merely a meal. It is a symphony of flavors, orchestrated by the hands of those who understood and understand the dance between fire and meat. It is a journey through time-honored techniques where the low, slow heat of the pit becomes a crucible of transformation, turning raw cuts into succulent masterpieces. As we stand on the precipice of this great culinary adventure, let us not forget the artisans who toil relentlessly over their smokers, fueled not just by wood and charcoal, but by an unyielding commitment to excellence. These challenges they face are formidable, navigating the delicate balance between tenderness and char, the infusion of smoky nuances, and the perfect melding of spices. In the grand tapestry of American cuisine, barbecue stands as a testament to our diverse roots, reflecting the culinary transitions passed down through generations. It is a celebration of regional nuances, from the tangy vinegar-based sauces of the Carolinas to the rich molasses-infused concoctions of Kansas City. Hard barbecue, my friends, is a unifying force that transcends geographical boundaries and brings us together around the communal fire. So, let us not shy away from the difficulties that the barbecue pitmasters face. The arduous hours tending to the embers, the meticulous attention to rubs and marinades, the unwavering commitment to perfection. It is through these challenges that the true essence of barbecue emerges, a melange of flavors that tells of dedication, resilience, and pursuit of gastronomic glory. In conclusion, my fellow citizens, let us savor the hard barbecue, relish the complexity of its journey, and honor the pitmasters who, through their laborious efforts, elevate it to an art form. As we partake in the bounty of the grill, let us remember that the pursuit of perfection in barbecue mirrors the American spirit, bold, resilient, and unyielding. May the fires of passion continue to burn brightly in the heart of every barbecue enthusiast, and may we forever appreciate the hard-won triumphs that emerge from the hollowed smoke. Thank you, and God bless the pitmasters of America.